Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you should do one of the questions that comes in the listening part, and it comes as a last one and you can collect quite a lot of points from it. So I feel that it is very important. So I'm just gonna discuss the most important aspects about that question so you don't miss out on getting those points. And the question is right from dictation. Let's go right into it. Right from dictation comes as a last question in a listening part. Therefore, it is very important that you don't run out of time, because in the listening part, all questions are timed as a group. So if you run out of time, then you may not be able to do the last questions. And as you can see, you will get 3 or 4 sentences for right from dictation, and the sentences will be from 7 to 15 words long, and one word is worth 1 point. It means that from this whole section you can collect a bit amount of points. That's why it is very important that you time yourself correctly and you are able to do this last question in a listening part. So what happens in this question? First, you will have to listen to a sentence in the audio through your headphones, and while you are listening, you can take notes if you are able to. Otherwise, you just listen very carefully and try to remember the sentence exactly as it was. And then when the recording stops, you have time to type your sentence. The typing time is not limited. So you can type it until you are finished, and when you are finished and you are happy with your answer, then you press next and move on to the next sentence. To be able to collect points, your sentence has to be exactly the same. So all the words that you were able to write exactly as they were in the recording, you will get 1 point per word. So pay attention to spelling, to the verb tense, whether it's a past tense or present tense, and also if it's singular or plural, because if you mess up a word just a little bit, if one letter is different, if you made a spelling mistake or anything like that, you will get 0 points for that word. It is a pretty difficult question, but you can collect quite a lot of points if you are able to do it. And when taking notes, you of course will not be able to write down all the words, but the strategy that works for some people is trying to write the first letter of each word, and that just helps you to remember all the words that were in the sentence. So now I'm gonna show you how this task actually looks like and where you can practice it. So you can go to this link online and practice this question for free. So this is what the task looks like. It says you will hear a sentence, type the sentence in the box below exactly as you hear it. So what they ask is exactly what I have explained to you. So you go to the question and then you press play for the recording.
Any painting hung in the university building is not an oil painting.
And now you have to type it exactly as it was. And after you type it, you can press answer, and then you can compare your answer with this one. To be able to calculate how many points you would get, then you need to see how many words you got exactly the same. So this question has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 words, so you are able to collect 11 points if you write it exactly as it is. So go ahead guys and do some practicing. If you have any questions about right from dictation, then please write it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions about today's topic, please leave it in the comments below. If you're looking for private tutoring to help you to prepare for a PTE exam, then please shoot me an email and I will give you all the information. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.